Hello, in this video we will see how to show a message box to the end user. It is like more like a notification. You might have seen the message box in Visual Basic, so similarly like this. What if you want to show one which is like this, or not as ugly like this, but in a more modern way of notifying the user what you want to tell, like either it's an information or an error or just like a success notification. Okay, so let's do that. So the scenario would be I have a form where I'm not filling in the mandatory field. I'm trying to save and it throws an error. Yeah. So simple form, we add a edit form. I will connect to the a data source here, my products, which is over here. So this list is what I'm trying to connect here. Yeah. I'll quickly put a button to save the form, submit form 3. Okay. So simple scenario. Let's rename it to save. Click F5. It doesn't show. Why? Because the default mode should be new. Okay. Let's click again. Now it's better. So these are the mandatory. This is the only mandatory field here. These are all non-mandatory. So I'm going to fill in something, but I'm going to leave the mandatory field, and we'll see what happens. So if I try to click save, I will get a very ugly message like this and something not very user friendly. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly exit and go here to the form, and I'm going to put a notification to the end users. Okay, so the method we're going to use is notify. So in the forms, on failure, because the validation is failed, for some reason it didn't fail, so we're going to come back here, and instead of the false, we're going to remove and say notify the user, saying like, please put in the text, please fill all the mandatory fields. Yeah, and we put the notification type as error, and we're going to show the error for roughly 3 seconds. Okay, so 1000 milliseconds is 1 second, so we're going to show for 3 seconds. Okay, so let's click here and try to save again, and there you go. You will get an error message and it will disappear in 3 seconds. Good. Similarly, we will put a success message. So we're gonna copy this and click here, go to the success, place the same thing, rename it to your save has been completed. Okay, and notification type should be success, and let's keep the same timeout. Click F5 again. I'm going to say test with all the fields. Okay, and click on save, and it's success, and we can get the message that your save has been completed. So to double check, you go back here, and there you go, it appears. So that's the notification you can show, and the same timeout. Also, you can set the timeout, and there is another notification called information. So I'm going to show you how it displays, but the scenario where you want to show the information, you figure it out. So it's not showing me here. After this, you're going to reset it to new form is what we want, form 3. Yeah, click F5. I'll go back, test with all the new ones, and click save. And this is how the information notification type will be displayed. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. If you like, please do subscribe and like this video, and please share it with your friends. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.